Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn data handling together, step by step. Data handling is about making sense of information. We'll organize data, find its averages, picture it with bar graphs, and take a first look at probability. There are 3 ways to find a typical value. The mean is the total divided by how many. The median is the middle value when ordered, and the mode is the one that occurs most often. For 5, 8, 8, 10, 14, the mean is 45 over 5, which is 9. The median is the middle value, 8, and the mode, the most frequent, is also 8. A bar graph turns numbers into bars whose heights show the values, making comparisons quick and clear. Probability measures chance, favorable outcomes over total outcomes, always between 0 and 1. Tossing a coin, the probability of heads is 1/2. To recap, mean, median, and mode summarize data 3 ways, bar graphs picture it, and probability is favorable over total outcomes. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.